10th Standard Social Science, 1 mark questions. Geography, Unit 12, India Population. What is population? The total number of people living in a particular area is called population. What was the total population of India as per 2011 census? 121.01 crores. During 1901 to 1921, population growth was slow. Why? The main reason was high death rates due to diseases, epidemics, and lack of medical care. The period from 1921 to 1951 was considered as a period of moderate growth. Why? The main reason was decline in death rate due to control of epidemics, better health and sanitation facilities. The growth rate of population was very high from 1951 to 1991. Why? The reasons were further fall in death rate while birth rate continued to be high. What are the main causes for the growth of population in India? High birth rate and low death rate. Which is the most populous state of India? The most populous state of India is Uttar Pradesh. Which state has the smallest population in India? Sikkim has the smallest population in India. Which union territory of India has the highest population? Delhi. Which union territories of India has the smallest population? Lakshadweep. Name the sparsely populated areas of India. The Himalayan region, Central Highlands, Thar deserts, and islands. Name the densely populated areas of India. The Gangetic Plain, coastal plains, urban and industrialized areas. What is density of population? The number of people living per square kilometer is called density of population. What is the average density of population in India according to 2011 census? 382. Which state has the highest density of population in India? Bihar. Which state has the lowest density of population in India? Arunachal Pradesh. Which union territories has the highest density of population in India? Delhi. Which union territories has the lowest density of population in India? Andaman and Nicobar Islands.